Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet cat ears. Now we see how to crochet this ears. Now we start with a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 10 chain crochet stitches. 10 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with 10 chain crochet stitches, we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. Okay, we have to skip first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each stitch till the last stitch. When we are done with this, now we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our crochet work. Now see, we have to skip 2 stitches coming first and second after the chain crochet stitch. After chain crochet stitch, the first and second stitch we have to skip, and from third stitch again we start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. So skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch. The first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch, skip those 2 stitches, and from third stitch start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till the end of the line. This you are going to repeat till we are left with only one stitch. See, now here we made the last stitch. See, we are making your last single crochet stitch. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Okay, again skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch, and from third stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. So we are going to repeat this till we are left with only one stitch. So I'll just complete this and show you. Once we are done with the last stitch, now we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. Okay, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. When we are done with the single crochet stitch round, 2 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, that round. After that, last round is there. Last round we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the triangle. Finish. Now see, following exactly same pattern, you have to make one more pink triangle for 2 ears, like 2 triangle, and following exactly same pattern, we have to make 2 black triangle, and only difference will be in black triangle. In starting we will make 15 chain crochet stitches. In pink we started with 10, in black it will be 15. See, these are crochet cat ears for black cat. Now that's our final piece. As you have seen, whole tutorial video was with written notes, and slow demonstration was there, step by step explanation was there. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have liked my video, thank you. Those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And I'm coming up with many new more videos. So please stay connected. Thank you. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.